Hi there. In this video, I want to show you how I work on my audio. I don't know if you can hear some background noise already, but like this can be cleaned out. I'm sitting under a ceiling fan because the weather is really hot here, and this room doesn't have AC, and some other noise like that, and I get to clean them up. And since when I've been cleaning them up, I've been having nice videos. I can double the size, I can double the volume of my audio, but most times I don't keep it double, I just keep it at if from 100 to 150 instead of 200, because 200 I believe 200 is just too loud, so 150 is okay. So this is what I do. Okay, before I discover this, I just do the recording. Sometimes I don't put on fan and I'll be so sweating on top of the fact that I'm creating video, be sweating profusely. So I had to let me look for a solution. I need a fan to cool me down. I need to make it like so natural, even if I have to do video for long hours, for long minutes, so I won't feel discouraged to want to create video the next time. So this is what I did. Just try to get some solution from friends, and this particular software was recommended. I know that if I go to Google Play Store, I will get a software, but I may end up going through 10 to 20 software before I could get the right software. So I just say, I'm gonna look for someone that I've done it before. I've experienced that, maybe going through 2025 software before getting a particular software. And this was the software I got from a very close friend of mine. So this is called noise reduction. As you can see the symbol. So make sure you get something like this. And I'm going to show you exactly what really happens. So for instance, the particular video, let me see, was recorded on this particular phone. Not this one. Let me see. Could this one? Let's see this one. So once you select it, then you now select reduce noise. So it's going to upload it. It's trying to upload now. This is a very nice software. Video noise reducing processing started. So very fast. It has done that. So let's play the original. I don't know if the background noise now that I have will allow you to hear the original to be able to differentiate, because I'm still in a noisy place. So I'm going to play the original and I'm going to play the noiseless. So I hope that the mic I'm using now will not capture it, or probably I will mute it. I'll find a way to make sure that I allow you to get the original. Okay, so but let me just play the original for you at this moment. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I want to show you uh, how I don't know if you got that. Okay, let me play the noiseless. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I don't know if you got that. Did you get it or you didn't get it? Okay, let's try another video. I think this one is more. Let me look for old video that I've done. Let me see. I don't know if this one, if I've I have so many videos that that I now that I've worked on. Let me see this one. If I've not worked on this one, this is a raw file. The light is gone now, so the fan is off. So I start sweating, and there's some other noise coming from the background. Neighbors opening doors, closing doors, my own family, plates dancing here and there, and all sorts. Sometimes you get so many noise around that you feel like you should be creating video in the middle of the night, and the middle of the night is like you still feel like you'll be disturbing others that are sleeping. So when on earth will you have a noiseless environment to create videos? So with this software, you can create video and remove the noise. But my only challenge now is I'm trying to let you hear both the noiseless and the noisy part of the video, and there is still noise challenge because there are you see have noise in the background. All right, so let's hear this. Let's hear the original. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I don't know if you can hear the whole background with the sound. Okay, let's listen to this one. You see that those noise that is sounded with like that will not be there. Let's play the noiseless. Hi there, welcome to my. Did you notice that it was silent? It was silent. Channel. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, so you will only hear the voice, unlike this one. Letter F. So without further, so you can see the background noise is there. So when you increase the volume of this now, it's going to amplify the other surrounding noise. But when you increase the volume of this one, so when you increase the volume of the noiseless one, it is only going to increase the volume of the audio. So that's what I do, and I hope you too you can use it for your video. So you may not need to be wondering, I need to get a special mic, I need to get a special this. I use both the mic on my phone and the mic on my computer. So so that's the secret behind the improvement in my audio. Most times, most video that I create, I try to make sure that I do them in as in when there is absolutely no noise or almost no noise in the environment. Maybe doing it at all time of the day or all time during the night. But this time around, I can do video anytime and use this app to remove the noise. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you do enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.